Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to master inorganic chemistry for JEE. First, thoroughly understand the entire syllabus, focusing on all topics. Your primary resource should be the NCERT textbooks. Read them multiple times. Next, dedicate significant effort to mastering periodic table trends, including atomic radii, ionization enthalpy, and electronegativity, as these form the backbone of many concepts. This foundational approach will set you up for success. Moving on, focus intensely on key areas. Memorize all important named reactions, understanding their specific conditions and products. Dedicate ample time to coordination compounds, covering Werner's theory, VBT, CFT, and various types of isomerism. Additionally, thoroughly learn qualitative analysis, including the colors of precipitates and gas evolutions, as these are frequently tested. Consistent practice in these areas is crucial for scoring well. For effective learning, adopt smart study techniques. Make your own concise notes and flashcards, summarizing key reactions and facts for quick revision sessions. It is essential to solve a minimum of 10 years' worth of previous JEE questions to understand patterns and question types. Furthermore, establish a rigorous daily and weekly revision schedule to ensure long-term retention of the vast amount of factual information. Finally, avoid common pitfalls to maximize your score. Never neglect daily revision. Inorganic chemistry is highly factual, requiring constant recall. Do not simply memorize without understanding the underlying principles. Strive for conceptual clarity. Most importantly, maintain a consistent study routine, dedicating a fixed amount of time each day. This disciplined approach, combined with smart study, is the only way to truly excel in inorganic chemistry for JEE.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.